Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a multifunctional laser printer and it's the Brother B7500D. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how it performs. Brother is a well-known Japanese brand and they have a wide range of products in different categories such as laser printer, swing machines and label printers. So guys, without any further ado, let's do the unboxing of this printer. In the front we have the model name and the picture of the product, and it's a monochrome laser multifunctional printer. This printer comes with a cost-effective toner box which can print up to 2600 pages. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first on the top we have this packet which has a quick start guide, and then we get this cable to connect the printer with your computer. And then in the box we get the toner in this packet, and then we get the drum in this packet which I will show you in a moment. And then here we have the printer itself. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the printer closely. So before you use the printer, you need to remove these protective tapes from the printer. And guys, this printer is a monochrome laser printer which is mainly for offices or if you do lot of printing. It's a multifunctional printer and you can scan, copy and print from it. In terms of the overview, the size of the printer is decent. In the front we have the Brother branding, and then here we have the front paper load tray. The main paper tray is here at the bottom which can hold up to 250 pages, and it has compartments for different page sizes. On the top we have the scanner bed, and here at the bottom we have the menu buttons and an LCD display. At the back we have the power cable and the USB-B port for PC connection. The sides of the printer is quite clean, and you have these vents to disperse the heat while printing. So now let's set up the printer. So as mentioned in the user guide, we need to unpack the drum unit first and then insert the toner unit. So here we have the drum unit, and as you might have noticed that it has this orange plastic part which we need to remove. And now we need to attach the toner as shown here. And also, if you want to remove the toner from the drum unit, you have to press this lever. So that's it, it's all ready to use with the printer. We need to open this compartment in the front, then insert the drum unit and close the compartment. So our printer is all set up and ready to use. And guys, I've been using this printer in my office for day-to-day use. First of all, the printing speed is very fast and the quality of the prints is also pretty good. And as you guys know already, it's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan from this. Using the copy feature is really easy. Just put the page in the scanner bed and then choose the number of copies you want and then press the start button. Talking more about the copy, you can also copy IDs where you have to copy two sides on one page, and this feature works on this printer pretty good. You can access the menu using the buttons and the LCD display in the front. The menu on this printer is also very simple, and for us it was easy to find settings and other features. Now coming to the most important part, which is the cost of printing. Guys, the printing cost from this printer is as low as 33 paisa per page, which is really impressive. And also, you don't have to replace the whole drum unit and you need to buy only the toner for this printer. You can buy the toner from the Brother website for just Rs 940, which can print 2600 pages, which we highly recommend over the third-party or compatible toners. Now coming back to the features, the scanning in this printer is also very good, and for that need to install the driver and the software on your PC, which is available for both Windows and Mac OS. And I must tell you that the scanning is also very fast and the quality is also pretty good. There is also a unique feature in this printer, which is the automatic duplex. So this means you can print on both the sides of the pages, which you usually do manually in other printers. So in this, you need to select the two-side printing and then either scan or print directly from your PC. And here you can see how the duplex feature works. So overall, the Brother B7500D is a very good multifunctional printer which is cost effective and has a very low maintenance cost. The printer quality is high and the printing is also very fast. And guys, if you're looking for a printer for your office or home office, then we highly recommend you to check out this printer. The only thing which is missing in this printer is the app or Wi-Fi support. But if you're looking for a Wi-Fi model, then there is also an option of the B7535DW, which comes with these features. Nonetheless, we really like this multifunctional printer from Brother, and as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Brother multifunctional printer. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us which printer you use in your home or office in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.